The C-5 Galaxy is one of the largest military transport aircraft in the world. Designed and manufactured by Lockheed Martin, it is the primary aircraft for the United States Air Force, USF, in transporting heavy cargo and personnel to locations around the world. History and development. Introduction. The C-5 Galaxy first flew on June 30, 1968. It was developed to meet the United States Air Force's need for a large, long-range transport aircraft that could carry heavy loads. The C-5A was the first model. Delivered from 1969 to 1973, 81 C-5As were produced. The C-5B is an improved version of the C-5A, which first flew in 1985 and was delivered from 1986 to 1989. This model features a redesigned wing, simplified landing gear, improved TF39GE1C turbofan engine, and more advanced avionics. The C-5M Super Galaxy is the most advanced version, resulting from the modernization of some C-5BC aircraft. The C-5M is powered by a new General Electric CF6 80C2L1F F138 engine, which provides increased power and increased payload, range, and reliability. The purpose of this upgrade is to ensure that the C-5 continues to serve the Air Force well into the 21st century. Key features. The massive C-5 Galaxy is the largest military transport aircraft. It has a wingspan of approximately 60.88 meters, 222.8 feet, a length of 75.53 meters, 247.8 feet, and a height of 19.81 meters, 65 feet. The C-5's payload capacity can carry a large payload of up to 127,460 kilograms, 281,001 pounds. For the C-5M model, it can carry 2 M1 Abrams tanks, several helicopters, or a fully armed force. Cargo doors. It has front and rear cargo doors, allowing crews to load and unload cargo simultaneously, reducing time. Vehicle ramps at both ends allow vehicles to enter and exit in 2 rows. Engine. The C-5M Super Galaxy is powered by 4 General Electric CF6 80C2L1F F138 turbofan engines, each producing 50,580 pounds of thrust. Landing system. It has 5 sets of landing gear, with a total of 28 wheels, to distribute the aircraft's weight. The C-5 also has a kneeling system, which allows the aircraft to lower its altitude when parked for easier loading and unloading of cargo. Range. With a full cargo load, the C-5M can fly more than 3,000 kilometers, 2,050 nautical miles, without refueling. With aerial refueling, its range is limited only by the endurance of the crew. Users. The C-5 Galaxy is primarily used for strategic transport, transporting military equipment, cargo, and personnel to any location around the world in a short period of time. Military operations. It has participated in numerous military operations, including the Vietnam War, Desert Storm, the wars in Afghanistan and Iraq, humanitarian missions. It has also been used to transport aid and relief, supplies to areas affected by natural disasters. The C-5 Galaxy remains a vital asset for the US Air Force due to its unique ability to transport heavy and bulky cargo over long distances.